The secret ingredient to a healthful lifestyle is meal prepping. So let's get started with a personal favorite of mine, a delicious quinoa grain bowl. So I've pre-prepped most of this grain bowl. I've got a dressing with some lemon juice and olive oil. I'm gonna sprinkle this on top. I really love this ZWILLING salt grinder, and then we can use the pepper grinder as well. How easy is this? Everybody needs these in their kitchen. And you've got a quick and delicious meal on the go whenever you need it. So I'm gonna pack this into my Fresh and Save container. These are a staple in my kitchen because they keep my food fresh for up to 5 times longer. Now, you can store these containers in the fridge or in the freezer, and they're actually even safe to microwave. The vacuum sealing technology will keep this meal fresh much longer, and I can grab it whenever I need a quick and delicious bite. I hope this video helps you meal prep better at home. You can find this recipe in the description below. Go to ZWILLING.com to learn more about the Fresh and Save collection. Thanks for watching.